Hello there guys, what's up? Marfil here. So for today, I'm just gonna be saying that it's been a while since I have uploaded a video here on my YouTube channel, and because of that I've been busy for this couple of months, days or weeks. And for today I'm just gonna be featuring to you guys the QKZ KD7, which I got from Lazada. I'll be providing the link down at the description. But before anything else, this feature is made possible by R.Energy drink. Now, to learn more about R.Energy, you may visit the link down at the description. Now, so for today, guys, the feature is the QKZ. Again, the QKZ KD7 IEMs, or in-ear monitors, or for short, earphones. Now, this one costs around 588 pesos only, and the link will be down at the description. And of course, what can I say about this IEMs? Now, this IEMs really delivers good bass and good sound reproduction. Now, the cool thing about this IEMs is that it has a dual chamber feature, which the dual chamber feature of this earphones is that, as you can see, guys, I don't know if my camera just focused on it. Now, it is a transparent built in-ear or IEMs. Now, again, the reason why this specific earphones delivers good sound, because of the dual chamber design, or dual chamber design. And of course, there are two speakers, or what do you call this, drivers inside. Now, the top one is for the music, or yes, the top one is for music. I mean, the top one I think is for the clear sound, and at the bottom is for the bass. So this specific earphones really delivers good quality sound. Now, for the build of the earphones, it's once you open it, you may think that you got a low quality build, but if you look at it, guys, the cord is inside, and there's a protective case within, it has a protective case. Sorry, this again, guys, this video is unscripted. Again, it is a well-made, just for short, it is a well-made earphones. Now, it is a gold tip, and it has a inline mic, so you could use this on either an Android or in your iOS mobile phones. Now, another good thing about this IEMs is that it has a memory foam. So it would fit any ear sizes that's gonna be using this. And again, this is made out of memory foam, so once or after you have used it, will go back to the original way when you use it, or before you use it. So again, guys, the sound is better, but before you complain, when you order this one, before you complain on their page on Lazada, or on the comment here, this in my YouTube channel, break in the headphones or the IEMs first, because some of you might think that, oh, he said that the bass is deep. Nah, that's what I thought before. So once you open it, break it in first. So play it in a loud settings, then for around 2 to 3 hours, just play it, use it. So me, I've been using it since yesterday, so I have done breaking it in for quite some time now, and the bass really now hammers my ear, or hammers your ear canal. So for those who loves listening to EDMs, hip-hop with bass, or some car show music, or gaming or game soundtrack, this one's for you. Again, it's only 588 pesos, or $12 if you sum it or round it up to its value, because 600 pesos is equivalent to around $12. So again guys, before I end this feature, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like or dislike button, then comment down below if you want to learn more about this awesome product. Again guys, visit the link of my channel's main sponsor, R.Energy. So their links are down at the description. Follow them at Instagram, and of course subscribe to their channel here in YouTube, and like their page on Facebook. Now give me some idea. Would you like me to do a giveaway of this, or another gaming mouse? So again guys, oh by the way, for sure guys, ESGS is on October 26 to 28. Be sure to buy early the tickets, because the early bird price for their tickets is around 150 pesos. Now when it comes to that day or near that day, the price of the ticket goes up to 200 pesos. Now again guys, I'll be leaving down the link to where you can buy this earphones, and don't forget to let them know that you've learned to these earphones, where to buy. Don't let them know where you found out about this. Again guys, thank you for watching. Gio here, signing out.